is all you'll need to make your own delicious garlic bread with some cheese, parsley, garlic, butter, cheese, touch of baking powder, milk and self-raising flour. First thing we're going to do is make the dough. So into a bowl with your flour, into there with half a teaspoon of your baking powder, a good pinch of salt, and some freshly cracked black pepper. Give that a quick mix round, and then into there with your milk. When you've got your dough something like that, time to get your rolling pin out. Onto your work surface, go with a dusting of your self-raising flour. Get your dough, flip him over, form him into a roundish bowl, round shape like that, and then get your rolling pin out. Got it rolled out to the sort of size you want. It's about 2 or 3 millimeters thick. Doesn't look as neat as them you buy from the shop, but that just adds to the authenticity of it. With your base made, it's time to heat up a pan. No oil or anything, you just want a dry pan and then drop it in. We're just going to basically heat that through for a couple of minutes, obviously give it a flip. When your dough's had 2 or 3 minutes, so you can see it's hardened up. It's not hard, it's still soft, but you can lift it as one. Take that off the heat and then get on with your topping. With your dough nearly ready, time to get your topping done, and what we're going to do, grate the cheese. I don't know, but for whatever reason grated cheese just seems to go better with garlic bread than if you just sliced it. So grate yourself some cheese up into a saucepan with your butter. Going to get that melted, and then into there with your garlic, chopped parsley. When your garlic and parsley have had a minute, turn off the heat and then go in with your shredded cheese and give them a good mix round. Onto your base with your concoction. Then you're going to pop that in the oven at 160 degrees. When it's had 10 minutes or so in the oven, hopefully it looks something like that. So get it sliced up and get stuck in.